Just one day after the Missouri Supreme Court ordered a Jackson County judge to vacate injunctions, we're now learning that those injunctions that temporary restored abortion access, now we're just learning how those decisions came to be.
Today, the judge did indeed vacate those injunctions. What we don't know is what happens next. Fox 4's Malik Jackson, who's been digging into every angle of the story, joins us now, live in Midtown. Malik.
Yeah, John and Bria, last night we told you that this was complicated, and we meant it. Today we spoke with David Larson, an experienced trial and appellate lawyer who says that the standard that the judge used in this case was one that was applied for many years. But it has been changed now, and that is why the Supreme Court here in the state of Missouri has vacated these two preliminary injunctions.
The procedural vehicle by which the Supreme Court acted was through what's called an extraordinary writ process.
That extraordinary move has turned this into both a political flashpoint and escalated this legal battle. It started in November when Missouri voters passed Amendment 3, adding abortion rights to the state constitution. The state quickly sued, and a Jackson County judge twice issued injunctions to protect those rights while the state's lawsuit moved forward. But the state Supreme Court ruled she used the wrong legal test.
Her responsibility will be then to do what she needs to do, or what she believes is necessary and appropriate to do, to apply the standards that the Supreme Court has instructed her to follow.
The Supreme Court says any future rulings must use a new four-part test, including proving irreparable harm and a strong chance of winning the case. This change follows a shift in how the Eighth Circuit Federal Court of Appeals handles injunctions, specifically when statutes are being challenged, which guided the state Supreme Court's decision.
The Eighth Circuit had a prior set of standards to apply. They then subsequently changed that and updated that, and the Supreme Court, in its ruling yesterday, elected to be governed by the more recent case.
So to simplify this for you, the reason that this is being hotly contested the way that it is, and these decisions have been sent back down to the judge, it's because these are state statutes that are being challenged. Now, the judge in this case can choose to bring both parties back in and hear testimony once again and receive their evidence, or she could rely on what they presented all the way back at the beginning of December. We don't know what she will do, but as always, we will stay on top of the story. John.
And Malik, we don't know what she might rule, so this is a story you're right. We will definitely stay on. Malik Jackson live in Midtown tonight.